Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up our Forex VPS using another method, and the whole process will be easier for everyone. So after you log into your AWS console, first thing you need to do is to, of course, check you are in London region. So this is not London, so you need to choose London. Okay, another thing is I want you to secure your AWS account with multiple factor authentication. So what you need to do is click your menu, then choose the security credential. Right, it's under it's so-called multi-factor authentication. It's called MFA. I click this. So before this, you need to download Google Authenticator. Right, you need this app so that now you can set up your MFA, or some people call it 2FA. Okay, so what you need to do is to activate MFA. Let me launch my app first. Right, click this. So you choose virtual MFA device and click continue. Okay, so this is what you need to do. You click on show secret key. This is a setup key, and you copy a copy just in case you need to switch your phone, or you lost your phone. You still can set up this MFA copy. So I normally prefer to set into the text file. Right, so this is a setup key. Then you show QR code, and you can just use your Google Authenticator to set up. You can use a scan a QR code. Okay. Then after that, once it's set up, it will show a number, 6-digit number. You key in the first one. Every time will be different, about 20 seconds. So you come out with the next one. Then you continue keying the next code. Right, after that, just assign MFA. So this is done. So now we need to go back to, you can go back to dashboard. So it should key under so-called the service is called EC2. Okay, EC2. Okay, so this is new one. Make sure it's London. So you are at EC2. Click EC2 dashboard. Okay, now you click launch instance. Alright, launch instance. So over here, we no longer search Windows or Windows Server. What you need to do is key in NKSFS bot and click enter. So over here you will see one result in community AMI. AMI stands for Amazon Machine Image. So you click this under one result. Okay, just double check the AMI ID is the last 4 digits 5624, correct? Then choose select. So is by default you choose the free tier eligible, correct? Click review and launch. Click launch. So you need to create a key pair name. So we click create a new key pair. So this one I just put example, this is I do it for my friend. Flow, and I put a key pair. I prefer to put a timestamp 2022 0219. Then you download the key pair. So save it. So you will save it under download, right? Then launch instance. Okay, so AWS is preparing your instance, so you can click on this instance ID. Just click. It's not there. You can always go back to refresh, right? Or you click this refresh also can. So I prefer you name your instance. So I put here also. I just copy, or you can just key in. Just paste. So I still prefer to put the timestamp so that you know when you created this instance, so that you know when to renew it. So save. So same thing, you come here and click on the instant ID. You need to copy the public IP address, the public IPv4 address, then you paste it to a notepad. So this one will be used for later on to set up your mobile RD client, right? So username is always administrator. So let's go back to instance. It's still initializing. You just refresh. Okay, go back to instant ID. Now we need to click connect. Switch to RDP client. We download a copy of the remote desktop file. Save it, and you will save it under download folder with the instance name, right? So now is to get password. Yeah, it's done. Then it's click browse with the key file, right? Then decrypt the password. So copy the password over. Paste. And now I can proceed to connect my VPS. So this is the RDP file. Double click. So tick all the options so that you will not show again. So paste in the password and click remember me so that it will not prompt you for password again. Choose all the options. Okay, with this method, so basically I have built the AMI, means with the image, with the OS image with all the preloaded setup file, right? And just wait for a while. This one, click no. This I have put in the MT4 program to the startup folder, so that whenever you restart your VPS, you auto launch the MT4 program. Okay, so now that's all done. Okay, just open the folder. In the desktop, I put in the license key file. So you need to have okay, before that you need to set up first, only then this bot will generate the license key info. Okay, so I will need to have all this, your XM account info, right? Then you switch back to your VPS. So this is switch between your VPS and your own desktop. See, just to minimize, to switch to your desktop, click on the icon to switch back to your VPS, right? So I paste in. So this is your MT4 ID, copy, and the server is real 39, right? So what we do is click here, look for real 39. If yours every time when you register SM account, SM will email you the server ID and your MT4 ID, right? 39, then click next. So you click login to existing trade account, put in your MT4 ID, put in your password, just confirm, okay, then click finish. Right, so this is a new account. Latency, okay, and with the balance 500 and with the bonus as well, right? So this is what you need to take note. For SM, they have two account type. One is standard account, the other one is micro account. So this is micro account. So what you need to do is to right click on this symbol panel, but if it's your standard account, then you can use this symbol GBP USD. With micro account, it's important you open the correct chart. So you right click, symbol, under Forex 2, scroll down and look for GBP USD. This one, you can double click or click show and close. So you have this GBP USD micro actually. Right, so this one you need to right click, click chart window 2 times, 1, 2. Okay, so I prefer you just to show one symbol. So this is for standard account. You right click and hide all. Okay, after this, you have two charts here. You tile the chart so that you arrange it at left and right. So another thing, you need to copy my board over to the expert advisor folder. So simple, pull down file menu, open data folder, and under MQL4, under expert. Okay, these are the sample. You can either remove it, select all and remove, right? Then there is a setup file folder already copied my box over under setup file, right? Copy this 3 file, click copy and paste it under the experts folder. Right click and paste. Right, one is done. Just close it. Right. Then over the expert advisor, right click and refresh. So this is we buy and sell. So I prefer to put buy on the left, sell on the right. Okay, so first time you need to do is, because now you need to obtain a license key, right? So just click on buy and drag over to the left chart and drop, right? And first time just click OK, right? So you will show this pop-up screen, snapshot this and WhatsApp to me. I will, based on this info, to generate your license key. Just click OK because I already have the license key. Okay, it's here. So once you got the license key from me, it's best that you keep a copy at your VPS as well. So save this file, right? Okay, so now you have the license key. The other important parameter you need to know is your starting lot size. So this one you can refer to my ebook, but at this moment I will recommend use equity divided by 3000, right? So you want to trade safer, because since this is using bonus, but you can actually okay, in my ebook is using equity divided by 2000, right? So my recommendation is, since you have the 100% bonus, we can even set with the safer setting. You can use equity divided by 4000, right? So that's up to individual. Okay, so let's say we use this. So the starting lot size is 1k divided by, sorry, is with the welcome bonus. Okay, is 1030 divided by 3000. Another parameter is important will be the turn off profit chaser first, set to false, and starting bip step set to 200. Okay, so these are the few things you need to set. Your license key, copy first. Starting lot size you already have. Alright, so what I need to do again, we can either drag and drop again, or click on this smiley face. It will show this pop up, right? So let's say we drag and drop again, you will just replace. Okay, it's important. Okay, at the common tab, always remember to take on this allow live trading. Okay, if it is on the weekend when market is closed, what you can do is you can turn on auto trading first. So whenever you drag and drop, by default this will be ticked. Okay, because since it's Saturday, market is closed, I can turn on auto trading to do the setup. If not, I will prefer you turn off. Then just get the input page. Okay, put in the license key, put in the starting lots, and remember, look for profit chaser, turn off first, and starting pip step 200. Before you click OK, save a copy of this setup. So this is, we call it preset. Okay, save it. We call it GU. Okay, just put, okay, this is for Fabric setup. Okay, you just leave it as GU. So every time, from time to time, you have updates, you can just save this file. Okay, after save, click OK. So the next time when you set up, now to set up cell will be easier. Drag the cell and drop over here. Okay, check allow live trading at the input tab. just click load, do this preset file, done, click OK. Okay, so this is how you set up, and a few things that you can set is, I prefer you, now there's no open position, you just click here, anywhere, right click and show the comments field. So my bot will actually put in the comments field here. Another thing is under tools, option, under trades, you straight away tick allow one click trading. Tick this and click accept. Okay, and click OK. So I prefer when over the weekend, of course, when the bot is making profit and your balance will increase. Right from every weekend, what you need to do is when the equity increase, you need to recalculate your starting lot size again. So when there's no position, so what you need to do is, let's say your balance go up to 700, so let's say the total equity is 1002, and you are using this formula, so you need to set the starting lot size to 0.40. so in that case, the same thing, you click on smiley face, you update it for 0. So okay, this is a proper way. Okay, one more time, click smiling face. So because from every week, we might actually change the trading hours. So the best way is to you load the preset, right? All this will be reset, then you update your starting lot size and save. So this will be your latest preset file, right? So this updated, click OK. Then on the sell side, same thing, just click the smiling face, click load. See, this is 3-4, because once I updated, when it's loaded, you use the latest figures, right click OK. So this is how you do your weekend housekeeping. Okay, another thing I want to show you is, okay, so here there's this startup shortcut folder. I already put this MT4 shortcut here, which means whenever you restart your VPS, you will auto run your MT4 program, right? Another thing is the Google Chrome have been installed. So if let's say you are managing for multiple accounts, I prefer you log in your MT4 program using this browser. So what you need to do is double click this, so it will bring you to the SM login page. Okay, let's accept. Okay, login. We are putting your password. So since it's let's hold on a moment. I think I put a cap lock. Okay, copy. Right, you can proceed to save. So next time will be easier. You don't need to key in password. Save. Okay, these are the important notice. You can opt in. Okay. Right. So another thing is, for all the new user, click on home. Sorry, under account. After you log in, then you apply for Islamic account. So this will for this up to XM approval, and just click this and submit, so you'll get a swap free account, right? Okay, so now you can just close. Okay, this one you can save a copy, close it, and for the first time I still recommend after you set up, just reboot your server, right? So there's the whole process of setting up the new VPS. So this will be used for if you are your AWS is expiring and you actually can do the migration to the new VPS using this method, right? That's all.